Hey everyone, welcome to this week's Just the Tip. My name is Corey from Meat and Potatoes Organizing, your professional home organizer in the Twin Cities. Today, I would like to talk about our favorite labeler that we use every day on the job. We bring it with us, and the beauty of this labeler is that it is compatible with most phones. So you have an app, which means you can customize the words you want to print out. Maybe you need to add pictures, you want different fonts. It's super easy. You can bring it with you. It's easy to pack it on the go. We have little cases for ours. And it really just helps to get everything labeled when you're in the moment of organizing. So I recommend, yes, of course, we would bring it to a project and label the things we're doing. But even our homeowners and clients to just purchase one and have it just sitting around. As your systems change, your life evolves, maybe you need to change some labels, and that's okay. Let that system change with you. So the labeler I'm talking about is the Brother P Touch Cube, and it's about, this big, and it fits in a little case. You can buy a little case. You can get it on Amazon, and you can get it at the Container Store. We get all of our label tape on Amazon. We don't buy the specific brand of tape. We buy like an off label and it works fine. We typically use white tape with black lettering. Also, we've used a lot of black tape with white lettering. You can purchase both of those label tapes fairly inexpensively just to have on hand. We typically go with a default font of Futura T, sometimes Futura T Bold if we're feeling very bold. It's just a nice, clean, modern look. And I think the font is like size 47.5. And then similarly, we use the 3-inch because that fits on most bin clips and it looks really good and it's easy for most people to read. So you can also do bigger or smaller, but that's kind of what we do. And I just wanted to give you that tip. So if you haven't gotten yourself a nice Bluetooth labeler yet that can go with you wherever you need it to go throughout the house and, sync to your phone, I would highly recommend doing that. It's going to make your life a lot easier. So check out that and let me know how it goes in the comments. And I will see you next week for another Just the Tip.